Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this simple video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to customize your home screen on Android. Just keep in mind that you may need to install a few apps for this process. But don't worry, because everything that I'm going to discuss here is absolutely free. You just have to download a few free apps and you're good to go. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First things first, the wallpaper. It's the foundation of your home screen's vibe. The right wallpaper sets the tone for everything else. Whether you want a minimalist look, something dark and moody, or vibrant colors that pop. Most Android phones already have their own wallpaper theme apps that you can use. But if you feel like it has limited options, you can download some free wallpaper apps. I recommend apps like Wally, Splash, and the one that I'm going to use in this tutorial, the Zedge wallpaper app. They are all free and they offer a massive collection of high-quality, unique wallpapers. You can choose any free wallpaper app, just go to your Play Store. Then search for the wallpaper app that you want to use. For this tutorial, as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use Zedge. Once you have downloaded the app, open it. With Zedge, it will give you an option to pay for a plan, but like I said, it's just an option. So you don't actually have to pay for it, and you will still get a lot of wallpaper choices to choose from. You can just skip this one. Let's tap on wallpapers. As you can see, it offers a vast variety of wallpaper options. You can even search for a theme here if you want. I personally like rain themes, so I'm gonna search for that. Then I'm just gonna choose wallpapers. There's a bunch of beautiful rain themes here that I can choose from. I would just like to choose a simple one, like a minimalist style. We even have video wallpapers here. There are many pretty video wallpapers here that I can choose from. But I think I'm just gonna stick to a still wallpaper. Once you've found a wallpaper that speaks to your style, tap on it. Then tap on the download button to download the image. As you can see, you even have options on how you want this wallpaper to look like. You can choose a simple still wallpaper, or you may also want to make it a 3D parallax. The 3D parallax sounds cool, so I'm gonna choose that one. You can even set the effect strength here. I'm trying to move my phone around, and as you can see, the wallpaper follows along. So if you want that effect to be really visible and emphasized, you can set the strength higher. Otherwise, set it lower. When it's done, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Then tap Set Wallpaper once again. Then you can set it to home screen only or home screen and lock screen. It's up to you. Now, let's check it out. As you can see, our wallpaper is now set here. Next up, let's give your icons a fresh look. Stock icons can feel bland, so we're spicing things up with a custom icon pack. Icon packs help you keep a consistent theme across all your apps, whether it's sleek, retro, or playful. Here's a list of free custom icon packs that you may want to try out. You may pause the video if you want. For this tutorial, I'm gonna be using the Delta icon pack. Just install the app from Play Store. Once it's installed, next thing that you need to do is to install a launcher for us to be able to apply the Delta icon packs. A custom launcher lets you completely control your home screen layout, animations, and even gestures. My phone has a pre-installed launcher already, but it doesn't support direct apply. So to keep everything simple, I'm just going to install another launcher that supports direct apply. There are a bunch of launchers that you can choose from here, but I will use Nova Launcher for this tutorial. Tap Install. Then tap Install again here. Once your launcher is installed, you can tap on Get Started here. Then set the icon size and style that you prefer. Then tap the Next button. You can set up other things here, but it is completely up to you. Let me just tap on the Next button here. Now, let's go back to our home screen. This is how it will look like. But you will notice, when I tap on this button, it goes back to its default style. That's because Nova Launcher is not set as my default launcher yet. So I just need to go to Nova Settings. Then tap this Not Set as Default option. Then I will just choose Nova Launcher here. Now, as you can see, it doesn't go back to its default home screen style anymore. Now for the next step, and to give more life to your home screen. Let's add a custom widget. Widgets aren't just functional. They can be a big part of your aesthetic. To create sleek and stylish widgets, download an app like KWGT or Super Widget. Both offer tons of customization, allowing you to build weather widgets, clocks, or shortcuts that match your theme perfectly. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use KWGT. Also, install Feast KWGT. Once you have installed these apps, you have to set up KWGT first. Set the battery optimization to no restrictions for a better performance. Next, you can select a folder here. This folder will be used to store presets, backups, and other data. I'm just going to create a new folder here. Now it's time to add a widget. Go back to your home screen. Then long press an empty area on your screen. Then tick this box and tap Create. You can then adjust the position of the widget by moving it around or adjust the size by moving the size handles. Then tap on it to set up the widget. We're gonna use Feast KWGT here, so let me tap on it. Then choose the widget style that you want. There are many beautiful minimalist options here actually. So it's hard to choose, but of course, just follow what fits your taste. I guess this one is good. Just tap on your chosen option. So here, as you can see, you can play around with the settings and how you want the widget to appear. This is where you can change the size, font, style, spacing, and so on. I'm just trying to set different styles here and see if they match my taste. Customizing your widget allows you to tailor your Android home screen to fit your style and functionality needs. Instead of using standard widgets with limited features, custom widgets can provide exactly the information you want at a glance. Whether that's your schedule, weather, or battery stats in a design that suits you. Another benefit of customizing widgets is space efficiency. Custom widgets allow you to condense multiple functions into one widget. You can create a widget that shows the time, date, weather, and upcoming events in a single, clean design, maximizing home screen space. I chose to put only the weather, day, and date here, because I want it to be as simple as possible. I don't want the widget to use most of the space on my home screen. But of course, when you do this, it all depends on your creativity and uniqueness. With apps like this that I'm using, which is the KWGT, allows you to design widgets from scratch. This opens up endless possibilities to create something truly unique that no one else has, giving your home screen a one-of-a-kind look. By customizing widgets, you can prioritize what's most important to you and organize it in a way that makes navigation smoother. You get the information you need, presented in the style you prefer, without clutter or unnecessary features. As what you may have noticed, I really didn't go much in detail explaining how to edit your widget. Because, like what I've always said, it really just depends on your own preferences. And these things are pretty self-explanatory anyway. Once you're satisfied with the designs of your widget, just tap on the save icon here. I'm pretty much done here. I will just change this widget as well. Just long press it and select replace. Then choose a widget that you want and tap on it. Since I usually listen to music using my phone, I'll go for Spotify here. I'm just gonna choose a song that I want to listen here now. And that's it. That's how you can simply customize your home screen on an Android phone. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.